Yo! Alright, today we're gonna throw in the opening for the door. That was a protector. So people don't fuck my shit up. We're just gonna shoot this plumb line. This is a steel frame and a solid wood door. Heavy pig. We'll get to that later. I pre-cut all this. I'll let 2 1/4, 2 1/2 go by. 2 3/4. All right, a little more, I guess. Someone named Chris had already marked it out, but forgot. What a dick. Alright. So I typically like to run my... I gotta go down and drop that laser. Pause! Wonder if it does that. Shoot. I just wreck it. Sir, I think we got a signal. All right, I run mine hollow or soft side. I'm talking steel studs. I don't know what the right way is. Of course, I forgot my C-clamp. Damn it. Oh, since I got a drywall screw, a little popcorn. It's like concrete ceiling, but fine drywall screw is what you need to use for this concrete slash fire retardant layer of stuff. spancrete's 3/8 out and 40 inches. So that's obviously gonna be a problem when we put it in the door. Yes, no? Yes, no? Don't press too hard. Steel studs, self-tapping screw. Get an indent going. Don't press hard at all. You'll end up jacking yourself, yes? Okay? Light start. See that dimple? Light start. They got these grooves for a reason here. Here we go. Hot damn. Pledge of allegiance, yo. Oh. Alright, so we got our king and shoulder in. We're just gonna pull layout. Listen to a little bit of Aesop rock. Okay, now we are going to take apart our rig. Got studs and a box header in here. Although I personally don't believe we need a box header for this application. I do what the plan says. Oh, Chris, that's not what we want to do. We don't promote that in any way, shape, or form. Never throw a screw on the ground. I don't care who you are. Notches always down. We got enough. I think that's my 86 number. I should probably, that is my plumb right there. I should probably plumb that. 86, yep, 46. But he didn't. $86 and a 3/16. Oh, 86 and 5/8. We're gonna stay with it. Just a little bit. All right, maybe a 16th. I dropped it.